Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're back with another walk around video thanks to my good friends at Copart here in Tulsa under a not so pretty sky. We're not letting that dampen our spirits at all though, because we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna find some really good cars for very, very cheap, and maybe we're gonna bid on a couple because they have the auctions here in Tulsa on Friday. They're all the time. Every city has its own little auction site, hundreds and hundreds of auctions all across America. And you can find things, I just saw this, like this Chrysler Crossfire that was so popular on my channel. Should we check it out? Let's do it. And here she is, 2006 Chrysler Crossfire that we are not even gonna do. No, I'm not gonna do it to you because I did it before in another video. I just realized that. Sorry to lead you on. If you're a fan of the Crossfire, if you're a fan of the SLK, same cars, exact same cars. Insides are kind of nice, kind of chintzy, kind of plasticky, and they do rattle a little bit. The SLK, in my opinion, is way better. I have an 05 SLK that I think is a better car, even though it blew a radiator, may have a gasket leak. But this car we've already focused on. It's just fun to poke around. See, a little bitty trunk. There it is. Okay, so let's go ahead and find a different car that might be something a little better for us. Us. Instead, we're gonna focus on a Fiat. This is a big car. You know, when you think of Fiats, you think of little bitty ones. This one is a 2016 Fiat 500X Lounge in white, and I like that. I do like how they have the 500 right here in the headlight. This, as I said, very, very fixable. Here's your damage right here. Something just kind of punched her right here. This isn't too damaged, okay? There's a little crease right here. This can be a little Bondo, maybe a little pull from some PDR expert, and you're gonna have maybe something bent under there, all right? Nothing major. It didn't even damage this too much. You still have your tabs attached, so that's good. This will buff out. That will attach. So everything is pretty much just superficial, okay? Yeah, nothing major there. I like the color, all-wheel drive, so it could be your CV, but not a big deal. Look at this, and look how that closes it. Save the expense of a gas cap. Okay, taking a look around, otherwise, tires, you'll need tires eventually, but the front looks great. And like I said, it's a tall girl. I mean, she's way up there, okay? And the interior, looks beautiful. This, look at this. Oh, I like this. This brown over the creamy white. Look at that, okay? Stepping inside. I don't know if I like this. Wood, I think, would have been better, but I'm old. That's okay. I think we have power. I'm looking for the press, start and stop. Dynamic steering, torque service required. What else? Door open, drive mode unavailable, oil change required, service brake control, service ESC. So that's going to be almost all related to that back tire, except for the oil change. The engine is smoothing out a little bit right now. You get count them, two sunroofs, several different drive modes. This is cool how this kind of sticks out right here. Does this lift up? Oh, it does. Oh, okay. That's nice. That's nice. This is a nice driving position too. Cold air conditioning, super, super cold. Your oil was changed, 80,194. 81,798, but they want another oil change? Maybe they just didn't clear that or something, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, she runs good. Beats sound system. You got little kids, excuse me, they'd fit right in. This is not shabby at all. I hadn't seen many of these on the road, so I thought, well, let's just take a look and see what we've got. And you got room for groceries. Okay. I'm getting better at finding these latches. Here we go. 2.4 liter multi-air. Little dirty. A little bit of a tick, and I don't know why there's goop right there. It's a little bit of a tick, tickety tick tick tick. And you don't have a whole lot of coolant. I hope that's not an issue. It's just dirty under here. It really is. It's just really, really dirty for 80,000 miles. Give that a nice little detail. She'd be very appreciative. I like this. What do you think about it? Yeah, you like this little Fiat? The Easy Fix Fiat. Well, the gods are smiling upon us today. 2014 Little Red Corvette. Yes, that apparently roamed the streets of Norman, Oklahoma, home to the University of Oklahoma, also known as OU. I don't know why the car's here. I really don't. This is beautiful. This is what, let me back it up. There it is, because you deserve all of that. You deserve to check out all of this. Whoa. This is a gorgeous car. Why are you here, my pretty? Why? Because of this? This? That's it? What? It would have to be, because there's nothing else wrong. Well, okay, you're going to need tires. Understandably so. My goodness. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful. We're going to have to alert somebody's friend who loves Corvettes and tell that person about this one. This, oh, wow. You want to hear what she sounds like? Because there is power. Hear that? We got the bells. The bells are welcoming us into the hallowed ground. Here it is. Okay. Foot on the brake. Engine start. Come on. She's alive! I love that. I love how these move. I mean, cars have been doing that for a long, long time. But listen to this. Oh my goodness. This is nice. This is stuck. I don't want to break anything. Cup holders, parking brake. This is nice. Got our foot on the brake. There we go. Man. Man, oh man, with the top. What's in the back? You got a wheel arch in the back right there. Holy moly, tire pressure low. Add air to the tire. Door open. 19,000 miles. What? This car has 19,000 miles on it. She sounds good. She really sounds good. Oh my. Okay, well, I'm going to stop and make a quick little video and send it to somebody before I forget. But this is an incredible car. This is beautiful. Let's see what's going on here. Screen. Oh. Oh my, look at that. You can put your stuff in here that you don't want anybody to see and then cover it up. In case you're coming back from 420 in Denver, yeah, let's just hide it right here. Yeah, and then we'll put it back and head home to Oklahoma. No, medical marijuana is legal here too. Man, this car even smells good. And look how you adjust the temperature on that side of the cabin. Oh my goodness. This is really, really cool. Home, Pandora, settings, audio, phone, navigation. Okay, language, okay. Here's how you set it over here. And that's where we are. Tulsa, Oklahoma. Oh my gosh. This is incredible. Mikey really loves this. This is way out of my price range. But I know somebody who would like it. Check out the dash too. How cool is that? What do we do? Let's do something with it. Select. Door open. Service airbag. What was that? Go back. Oh, phone. Navigation. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. Let's do settings, information. Oh, that's all your information right there. Okay. Performance. Oh, so the RPM. That's how you know. Oh, okay, that switches. I kind of like that. Let's leave that. Oh, Mike. This is way out of your price league. Okay. Anyway, we're going to move on, but let's remember this one and pray that someday we can buy one. Well, I declare, this is something more my style. Lots of damage, lots of pieces broken. This is a 2002 Chevy Corvette with lots of paint issues. You get your pieces in there, which is nice. Okay, it's automatic. This seat looks kind of weird as well. Let's just walk around very, very quickly. I still want one of these in my life. I don't want it to seem like a midlife crisis. I passed that years ago. I had a Jaguar for my midlife crisis. She needs lots of help. She's from Texas. Oh, even the window is kind of loose on this one. Wow. She would require some work. And these are the hardest cars to get into for me. And this one smells wet. Oh, does she stink? She's a little smelly. Oh, where's the water getting in? Because that's horrible. Oh, you need a windshield too. You'll have to add a windshield onto your list of things to buy. Maybe some tires. Does this even open? I don't even think so. Look at the give. Yeah. Okay. Well, she stays open. That's a good thing. Okay. Well, I don't know. Should we give her a try? Should we just see if there's any life left in her? Randy? Okay, that's the friend I was talking about, the other one. He could buy the red one. I could buy the black one, and then he can come pick me up every time I break down in this car. We have a security thing right there, so I don't know what's going to happen. Let's just see. Here we go. Oh. Okay. Service ABS. Service active handling. The engine sounds good though. Door ajar. Service traction system. Brake before shift. Service ABS. Oil sticker here says in 2019 it had 120,000 miles on it. Let's see what happens if we can close this. That door is a little wonky too. I'm just trying to figure out how I can see the mileage on here. I don't see any way to clear it. I really can't. But it does sound good. Low washer fluid. Everything I need is right here. I just need some super glue for these parts. Don't know what that seat is like. This could be a really cheap little fun car. Don't tell me I'm considering this thing because the smell is horrible. I mean, it really is bad. This still works. Well, in and out. Okay. Good oil pressure. Just, here, reset. $188,000 miles. There we go. There it is. That's how you work it. 188,000 miles on a little black Corvette from 2002 that smells like the locker room of a swimming pool. You know how the locker room smell in a swimming pool where you have to go take a shower? It's always wet. You got the mold everywhere. That's what this smells like. It really is. That's what it smells like. Well, what do you think? Should I or should I not? Should I stay or should I go? Yeah, I don't know. It would take so much work and so much money. But then I'd have a Corvette, but I'd have a black Corvette with terrible paint and 188,000 miles and a top that leaks. I don't know. Oh, the water's getting in through here, so. Okay, so maybe the top is still good. I don't know, this is kind of apart, but this is This is an issue right there. Okay, maybe it's just out of alignment. I don't know. Let me know what you think about it, folks. I'm loving these walk-arounds. I hope you do too. They're not where I get my hands too dirty, but they are a nice little source of fun, and I get to come out and check out all of these cars. So a huge thank you to everybody here at Copart in Tulsa. Super nice people. And a huge thank you to you as well for watching these videos. If you haven't subscribed, you got to do it. You got to be a subscriber. I should have a special gift for subscriber number 40,000. We may have already reached it by the time this video airs. That would be kind of cool. Maybe a free scanner, OBD scanner to the 40,000th subscriber. Maybe I'll do that. All right, folks, have a great day. We'll see you in the next video very, very soon. Bye-bye.